Hello everyone, welcome to Mystic Pour Studio. In today's video, let's take resin art to the next level with these stunning floral resin bowls. Watch as I turn these simple molds into gorgeous functional art pieces that are perfect for decor or gifting. So let's begin. I'll be mixing my resin and hardener in a 3:1 ratio. I've selected a few vibrant alcohol inks and I'm going to draw simple lines starting from the center of the mold, extending out towards the edges. This will help create that stunning petal effect. It's time to pour the resin into the molds. As it spreads, you will see the colors start to flow and form these gorgeous natural petal shapes. I will leave these to cure partially. Depending on the full curing time for your resin, you'll want to demold the coasters about 4 to 5 hours early, as we need the resin to still be flexible to form the bowls. Let's go ahead and remove the coasters from their mold. I've chosen a plastic bowl to shape them. After placing the coaster on top, I'll use a heat gun to gently warm it. Now that the coaster is flexible enough, I'll slowly press it into the bowl and use my hands to mold it into the shape. Since I'll be stacking both bowls together, I'm placing a plastic sheet between them to prevent any imprints from the top bowl onto the coaster below. After repeating the process with the second coaster, I've placed a third bowl on top and added pebbles to weigh it down. Now I'll let it sit overnight to allow the bowls to fully cure. After letting the resin cure overnight, it's time to reveal the final result. The bowls look beautiful. They're formed with smooth, even curves and stunning floral patterns from the alcohol inks. The colors are vibrant and the petal-like shapes really stand out, making each bowl unique. These resin bowls turned out even better than expected, and they are perfect for decor, serving, or even gifting. Thank you for watching everyone. Stay tuned for more.